In this video, we will know that how to fix Internet Explorer cannot display the web page on Windows 7. So how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, when you search any website, you can see here there are error message is displayed. Update your browser. Your browser is not supported anymore. You can see here this error message is displayed. Because I would like to inform you that Microsoft has discontinued Internet Explorer support for Windows 7. No matter what setting you configure, it will not work anymore. So guys, I have a solution for that, for this problem. Launch any browser on your mobile or other Windows, other operating system, and after that guys, type here on address bar download older version of Chrome for Windows 7 and press enter. After that guys, you can see here there are some links. Click here this second link, download older version, and now scroll down this window and Google Chrome Windows version. So guys, scroll down here and click here 64-bit and download this version. Now after download complete, copy this version on your Windows 7 and right click on this version and click here run as administrator and install this. Now guys, copy this older version of Chrome on your Windows 7 and install it. So guys, you can see here now your Chrome version is working here on your Windows 7. So you can use it. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.